Hello everyone! I am going to walk you through how to make an appointment using WCOnline. First, go to snhu.mywconline.com and log in using your account here. At this top bar, select the appropriate schedule, then toggle to whichever week it is that you would like to meet with a peer educator. Use the Limit To menu to select either the course or specific skill area like academic coaching, conversational English, or writing in which you need help. Then you can scroll down and see all of the times that peer educators are available. Green blocks indicate a time that is not available because someone else has that appointment. Select the time and date, and then from here, answer the questions. If you have any files that you would like the tutor to have access to, you can upload it here. After that, click Create Appointment, and that is it. You are all set.